record? Okay, I'm recording, guys. Oh my god! Look at this guy!
Autoplay?
Look at this guy! Come here, Yorom.
Why?
Look at this guy.
Wait.
Pagka ganito yung avatar mo, like, look at your left agad
No
once you
way.
click play.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
He's sucking my dick, bro. Stop.
What is this?
Stop it.
How do you achieve this build?
Bro, he's a gymnast.
Oh,
What are you
that's
talking
nice.
about? Carlos Yulo?
Wait, look at this guy. He's
Where?
shooting his gun. Water gun.
Oh, he's coming! Oh, no, it's not.
What?
Stop spraying me, mommy.
It's blue. Water is not blue. Come on now. It's an illusion.
Umalis
No,
siya.
look at this girl.
No, my love. Where?
Look at Naya.
Whoa.
She's so pretty.
Where are you guys?
Embodiment of emo kids.
Hello.
Is this a kid?
Because
I'm gonna friend
tonight-
request her.
Kasi nasa Roblox ate, Roblox. JM. Roblox. Over again. Hoy,
Can't
may
see it,
Among Us.
Where's
Where?
the What is this build?
Excuse me. Claim
You're
80
exclusive.
credits. Does it? Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys.
Whoa! I can go inside here.
Where?
Aaron,
What?
been nice. I can't even go. I can't even fall down.
Can you jump, please?
I can't. Okay,
I
let's try to get
can't.
the secret ending and the bad ending. Because the good ending is always boring. Guys, okay, no! Ay, hindi.
Aaron?
Ayan. Ikaw, ako ba gagawa,
Wait,
JM?
come to me.
Okay, wait lang.
Where's Yoro?
I'm
I'm
here.
here.
I'm inside.
Never mind. Let's go here faster.
Go! Start!
Faster.
Ayan! Yay!
Ay.
Ay, normal! Shit! Sige. The level where you spawn has no anomalies. Use it in your favor. Nakita nyo na, guys.
Anomalies? What does that mean?
Sex?
An abominate.
Ano mali? Wala man mali.
You know what? I'm gonna start using my watch nga. This is also 100
Oh my
pesos.
god. Oh my god,
Yeah,
Yoro.
Oh, Yoram 03! Ikaw
Did you
yata
see
yung
that
entity!
person?
Ate, ikaw yung entity. Ang baho!
Yoro is giving back build.
Grabe.
Don't fat
Wait.
shame me.
I love the shred
Sorry guys, wait
arms.
lang. I'm just trying to put my watch on.
Okay, first pictures on the left. Natsuko, Juan Miguel.
Okay, I feel like we have to memorize this. I like that.
Okay,
Okay, we
so me,
have Nat,
JM,
JM, food, triathlon.
And
me,
Aaron.
JM. Where's Aaron?
Ate, I'm not there.
That's Aaron right there.
Nude.
Oh,
And
yeah,
this
that's
is
me.
JM. This is definitely JM.
Wait, somebody read this song. Fap
Hmm?
weed. What the fuck? Fap?
Huh? Where?
Teka, we're all blocking our heads. Parang guys, let's
On
make
top of the
Fap
ramen. It
mend.
is fap.
Fap mend.
Pop
Someone
need?
do that every day to stay healthy.
Just a nice
Joke lang, ang
security.
baho talaga. Guys, may flashlight
Wait.
tayo. Ay, wala palang flashlight. No smoking, guys.
It requires Robux.
Get your fastest
Let's
time.
run! Okay, that's one.
That scared me, bro.
Keep left. Oh!
What's happening?
What should we do?
What's that? Who's that?
That ain't no anomaly.
I feel like we shouldn't. Yeah, we shouldn't. Wait lang. Okay, ganun pa rin yung ano. It's the
Wala
same,
ata.
the same. No smoking? Yes. Go
Go
forward.
forward. Q.
But we went back to zero.
Yes. Huh? Don't look
Oh.
at any anomalies. If you find anomalies, turn back immediately. If you don't, do not turn back to go out.
Wait, there was an anomaly there?
No, wala. That was the first
Maybe it
one.
was the
Oh, the
first
guy's
one.
hair.
Oh,
It was black. It's
Turn-
brown pala dapat.
Ah.
oh really?
Yeah.
Well, there wasn't NPC kanina. We didn't know. Nagulat naman
Parenting.
ako kay Yorum, Mother Manager. I'm sorry.
Should we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, would you
What?
like to go back? You missed an anomaly. Close.
We missed an.
I
What
feel like
are
it was the brown hair. Dapat we turn our back.
No, it is brown.
Turn back?
But I looked at him.
No, turn back. Don't turn back.
Scared.
I think it was this. I think it was this. This was different. Parang nakita ko
Maybe
it was
the
more.
signs above.
Oka.
Sorry, because I can't understand
Oka.
them. Security camera.
Okanaka. I don't know.
No smoking
Guys,
formation.
don't leave me.
It's okay. Yes,
Go
ate.
Thank
forward.
you. There.
Ayan, one na. Okay.
I think we've
Huh.
memorized.
How many floors
Keep
is
left.
this?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Wait, this was different. Turn our backs. Turn back.
Yeah, it's different.
Different yung poster.
Go back, go back.
Yes, turn
Turn
back.
back.
Yes.
Yes.
Person.
Oh, I ate. See that object? Oh! No,
Wait, why is it longer?
Turn back.
No. Wait.
Turn back. It's
Yes,
longer.
yes.
Turn back.
Turn back.
Oh!
No, we
Let us
chose
out.
no.
Yes.
Cute. I'll take you.
Oh no!
What?
It
No,
wasn't.
it
Okay lang,
Because the
okay lang.
poster was different, I saw.
No, it wasn't different. Ito at least.
It was. There was no writing.
Ay, wait. Okay. I don't know. They
Yeah.
hold us. We started again. 0. Okay.
Wait.
Okay na.
Wait, were there two vents?
Brown hair. And then
Brown hair,
no, I got
two
I
vents.
clicked no kasi nga I thought
Okay, yes.
there were too much door. Para
There's two
nakita ko
vents.
maraming doors.
Okay, look at the first poster.
Not different. Ganyan pa rin
Not
siya.
this one.
The second, till JN.
Ganun pa rin eh.
So-
Wait, is this different?
No.
The last
No.
one? Security camera in
nothing yet.
operation. No smoking, okay. Okay, yeah, we chose right.
I'm scared.
Keep
What's
left.
gonna happen?
Oh, he's running!
Hey, go back.
What the fuck? That guy was
Why?
running. He
Why?
was running. The NPC
He
was
was
running.
running towards us.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, go back.
Ate, go back. Yes.
Cute.
Okay.
Level 4.
whoa! This game is. Oh, what was that? I was stuck.
Yeah, I was stuck as well. Not different. 3 doors.
Mm.
I feel like it's still the same. No smoking. Ano, okay lang?
Wala naman nagbago eh. Except, I'm not sure about the camera. Siguro may camera dyan.
Yeah, there was a camera there sa taas. I just don't know about...
Ayun,
Yun,
okay.
yes, okay.
Okay, 2 vents, 2 doors, 1 camera. I mean, 2 cameras. 3.
Why?
Wag muna.
Turn back? No.
No
Ayan,
muna.
no.
I don't know if there was a no smoking here.
Yes.
Meron ba? Oh,
Oh no, we made... Ay no, tama ata.
Yeah.
3 doors, 2 vents.
This is making me nauseous.
yes ba?
Ate, where are you?
Yes, okay.
Okay, 6.
2 more.
How many levels?
2 more. Exit it.
Oh.
I know, why does it do that?
Um,
Wait, yung expression niya, did it change? No.
he looks the same to me.
Yeah, the same. And then it's supposed to be
3
concourse.
cameras, 2 vents. Nothing really changed, no?
Nothing changed.
Nope.
Yeah. No smoking. I don't know, maybe yung expression niya, pero I feel like that's still the same. I just forgot kasi yung expression na, ayan.
What? We're level 7 na.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Oh,
Somebody go first.
Sige, I will.
ooh, Aaron.
Wait, check
You
his...
know, something changed. I know now.
No smoking? Okay.
Still the same.
Still the same, no?
Well, this is normal mode, so
Concourse. Security camera. No smoking. This is still the same. Ilang doors? Tama ba yung doors, JM? Wait lang. Tama ba
Yeah,
yung door ko?
tatlong doors. Two
3.
vents, three
Okay,
doors.
that's yes. Okay, good job.
Oh, there.
Last.
That was easy.
Yes!
Now what?
That's it.
Now we win.
We win.
Oh,
Normal ending.
finally, I made
Bad
it to exit
ending.
8. What?
What?
Oh, we should have turned back.
For what?
I don't know. For 50 years, a person was found missing here. It was us.
No, they're not missing. Ano ba talaga?
Oh,
Ay,
that
That
was
was fast.
us. That was us.
what? A person was found missing?
That was us. You missed no anomalies.
Wait,
We should
we
have
took
turned back.
exactly 3 minutes?
Damn, that's kinda...
That is scary.
I feel
that's
like,
scary.
we should have turned back nga.
Uy guys, 3 AM?
Ate, 12:35.
No.
Chill lang. That was okay. Do you guys wanna try it for the good ending or wag na?
A different map?
May ibang map?
I don't like this game.
Okay,
There's
don't like
mad.
this game.
Yeah, let's try na natin.